This 2019 Forest River Cedar Creek Silverback 29IK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Forest River is 34 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleep 6, awning, DVD player, stove top burner, smoke detector, water heater, LP detector, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, air conditioning, refrigerator, and 69 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, full wall slide, kitchen island, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Forest River Cedar Creek Silverback 29IK is 10,689 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.